I have a quadrilateral here, and my mission today is to find the area of this parallelogram. I have two pairs of parallel sides. That's what makes this a parallelogram. And it's also a quadrilateral. You probably want to start out with remembering the formula, which is the base times the height. Okay? They give us the height right here with the figure n, and that's 26. All right, and we can multiply in any order. So I'm going to have 26 times, and I love this problem because it gives me unnecessary information. I have QF, which is right here, and that is 31 centimeters. And I also have QM, which is 40 centimeters. So which do we use? I want you to think about that for a little bit, and hopefully you come up with the answer of we need to use QF. So we have the 31 centimeters. So the other part of our equation is 26 times 31. We're going to grab our calculator now. And we're just going to punch in 26 times 31. I hit the equal sign. And my answer to that equation is 806. Now remember, it's area. And they've given us our unit of measure, which is centimeters. And because it's area, we have centimeters squared. All right, in a minute and a half, there it is, how to find the area of a parallelogram. You can watch this video as many times as it takes until you get that process.